You are watching a tutorial video for EzInsta, an automation software for Instagram. In this video, we will explore basic steps to start using EzInsta software. From initial installation to advanced features, EzInsta is sure that after this video you will be completely confident when working with the software. To get started, please visit EzInsta's website at EzInsta.com to download the software and start using it. After downloading and installing the software, register for an account by clicking the Register button. Here, please fill out all information in the fields such as email, password, confirm password, contact phone number and tick agree to EzInsta's terms and conditions to complete registration. After successfully registering, the system will return you to the login screen. Here you log into your EzInsta account with the email and password you just created. Once logged in successfully, the app's overview screen will appear. EzInsta will review each function button with you in this overview section. Search bar allows users to enter information to search by username, tag, proxy. You enter the keyword then press enter to perform the search. Reload. You can click this button to reload the page. Display settings. EzInsta allows users to set display settings according to fields such as username, password, status, proxy, follower or following, quantity, email, email's password, 2FA, tag. After selecting the fields you want to display, click Save to save the settings. Automation setting. Setting up how to run automation. You can set the number of profiles to run at the same time, number of loops, run type, random or from top to bottom. You can also set not to display images or not play sounds when running automation here. Advanced settings, set maximum time per thread, delay when a new thread is run, stop running if RAM, CPU, or disk exceed a certain percentage. Proxy settings, here, you can add proxies according to types such as HTTP, SOCKS4, SOCKS5, SSH. The proxy needs to be entered in the format host port username password. Each proxy will be entered in one line. After entering the proxy, click the Add button to add the proxy to the proxy list. After entering, the proxy will appear in the proxy list section on the left side of the screen. You can also edit or remove proxies here. Assign proxy here to all selected profiles. When this feature is enabled, the proxy will be given priority in the proxy list to run the profile. Proxies will be taken from top to bottom and will repeat if the number of proxies is less than the number of profiles. Script Manager. Here, you can create new scripts, manage your created scripts, or view system scripts. Add account. This function allows you to import your Instagram's account into EzInsta software to start run automation scripts. Next, EzInsta will guide you how to add an account to the software. Click on the Add Account icon or New Profile button to start adding an Instagram account to your EzInsta account. Instagram accounts need to be entered in the following format: user, pass mail, cookie, 2FA. Username and password fields are required. If the remaining fields are not available, you can leave them blank. Currently EzInsta supports the following login methods. Log in using username and password. Log in using cookies. Each account will be entered on one line. After entering information for one account, press enter to proceed to enter the next accounts. In addition, you can add tag or add proxy to your profile. EzInsta currently supports importing these proxy types: HTTP, SOCKS4, SOCKS5 and SSH. The proxy needs to be entered in the format host post username password. Proxies will be taken from top to bottom to enter the profiles above. In case you enter multiple accounts but only enter one proxy, greater than proxy will be added for all accounts. After entering the information, click Add to add profile. Once added, profiles will be displayed in the overview section of the app. Below, EzInsta will guide you through the steps to create automation scripts for Instagram. To start, click Create New Script. EzInsta allows you to create simple scripts with just a simple drag and drop command. EzInsta's script will include two main parts: General Script and Seeding Script. General Scripts. Here, you can create scripts from viewing newsfeed, viewing stories, viewing reels to creating posts, deleting posts and more. Seeding Script. You can create interactive scripts with specified posts, send messages directly to your followers or following. Here, EzInsta will create a simple newsfeed surfing script. Drag and drop the newsfeed script into the script creation area, edit information as desired such as view time, delay, other actions depending on the script, and connect a starting point to create a complete script. Then you name your script, enter note if wanted. Before clicking save, you can select run test to test the script to see if it suits your needs, or click debug to detect errors in the script. Once completed, press save to save the script. Scripts, once created, will appear in the Your Scripts section. You can manage your scripts by fields such as name, status, tag, notes, and creation date. You can add tags by clicking on the scripts tag box and enter to save. You can also edit, delete, duplicate, or pin the script to the top to facilitate searching by clicking here. Next, EzInsta will guide you how to run the automation script. You start by selecting the profiles you want to run automation on, then press run. Before running, you can add a proxy to your profile. Press the remove button when you want to delete the selected profiles. When pressing run, the system will display a pop-up to select the run script for the selected profile. You can choose to run the system script or your script. Before running the script, you can set up automation if you want here, then press run to run the script. The system will run the profiles according to the scripts you have chosen. Above, EzInsta just guided you on how to use automation software for Instagram. Thank you for your love and support. Don't hesitate to contact us via official support channels. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos.